Hate preachers and extremists who spread division and incite violence must be arrested and remove their rights to be.
The UK government has begun arresting Islamist protesters and hate preachers spreading extremism in the UK.
Uncertain times call for a clear plan and bold action.
This situation began yesterday when the police initiated a forceful crackdown on individuals whose actions persistently overstep boundaries. These Islamist figures, particularly the hate preachers, are believed to be disseminating extremist ideologies across the United Kingdom, thereby exacerbating the nation's problems. These individuals are deemed responsible for sowing discord, corrupting the minds of other demonstrators, and inciting genuine protesters to harbor animosity. This is contrary to the government's intentions, and the UK has vowed to arrest and revoke the rights of all those participating in such activities. In today's video, I will provide a comprehensive overview of the UK government's decision to arrest protesters forcefully for deportation. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest updates. Now let's delve into the details. Yesterday, approximately 5 pro-Palestine protesters were forcibly detained by the UK police. These individuals are accused of instigating chaos rather than engaging in lawful protest. The UK government has resolved to apprehend and deport those involved in such disruptive actions as they are perceived to be propagating extremism. The crackdown on these hate preachers is driven by several crucial reasons. Firstly, it is a preemptive measure to prevent harm within the UK. Hate speech transcends offensive language. It can be a powerful catalyst for violence. By inciting hatred against specific groups, extremists create an environment of fear and hostility that can escalate into actual violence. Arresting these individuals is seen as a proactive step to avert such harm before it occurs. Law enforcement can evaluate the potential threat posed by an individual and take actions to safeguard communities and individuals who are targets of hate speech. Secondly, it aims to protect vulnerable groups such as Jews in the UK. Hate preachers often single out specific ethnicities, religions, or sexual orientations. Their rhetoric instills a pervasive sense of fear and intimidation among these vulnerable communities. Arrests serve as a means to shield these groups by eliminating the source of their persecution and harassment. Holding extremists accountable for their actions sends a clear message that such behavior will not be tolerated, fostering a sense of security and enabling marginalized communities to feel safer in expressing their identities. Thirdly, it sends a strong message deterring hate in the United Kingdom. The act of arresting hate preachers and extremists signals that the UK will not condone hate speech or extremism. This public demonstration of zero tolerance can deter others who might consider engaging in similar activities. The knowledge that they face the possibility of arrest and prosecution can make them reconsider their actions, potentially curbing the spread of extremist ideologies and hate speech within the UK. Fourthly, it disrupts radicalization efforts. Hate preachers often function as charismatic recruiters for extremist groups. Their incendiary rhetoric and targeted messaging can be especially effective in radicalizing vulnerable individuals. Arresting these figures can disrupt this process by removing these influential voices from the equation. Without constant exposure to hateful ideology, individuals at risk of radicalization may be less likely to be drawn into extremist circles. But this disruption provides opportunities for counter-extremism programs to engage with these individuals and promote more tolerant worldviews. Fifthly, it upholds the law and maintains social order. While freedom of speech is a fundamental right in the UK, it does not extend to hate speech or incitement to violence, both of which are criminal offenses. Arrests are a means to enforce the law and uphold social order. By holding extremists accountable, the government reaffirms its commitment to protecting its citizens from the harm caused by hate speech. This ensures a society where free speech coexists with a commitment to peace and tolerance. The issue of arresting and deporting hate preachers in the United Kingdom is indeed a matter of significant concern. The police's decisive actions in this regard are commendable. What are your thoughts on this matter? Do you believe the UK is justified in arresting and deporting these hate preachers? Share your opinions in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.